Good morning, dear children. Today, let's begin with our Unit 5, that is Adopt a Pet. Do you know the meaning of adopt? Adopt means you accept something, a person or an animal, as your own, and you take all the responsibility towards them. And pet, of course, we all know. It is our favorite animal we would like to keep with us at home, isn't it? Pet animals are our good companions and they become one of our family members. They are very cute and friendly. So, if you keep a pet at home, it is your responsibility to take good care of it. We should provide proper food, shelter, and if they fall sick, we have to take it to the veterinary doctor. A doctor who treats the animals are called veterinary doctor. There is sayings that caring for animals is a kind of worship. So let's move into our lesson. Adopt a pet. Mona likes the local zoo very much. She enjoys visiting it. It has different kinds of animals in it. The animals do not live in cages but in the place they are used to. The zoo makes these places for them. For example, an ice machine makes the penguins' swimming pool very cool, making it suitable for them. So, Mona, a little girl, loves to visit a zoo. You all have seen zoo, right? Zoo is a place where different types of animals are kept. She loves the animals very much. She enjoys watching the movement of these animals. So she often loves to visit a zoo. In the zoo, the animals are kept in the places they are used to. They create a forest kind of atmosphere for the animals to live freely. For example, a ice machine is kept in the zoo to keep the swimming pool very cool. So, and making it suitable for the penguins. Penguins, you all know, right? They prefer to live in a coldest place. To make the place very cool, they use a ice machine in the zoo. Mona enjoys watching the chimpanzees. They live in a cage with trees, caves, rocks, and a small lake. There are about 15 chimps, including 4 babies. Their babies are carried everywhere by their mothers. They feel secure because they have a similar atmosphere as in the forest. And next, Mona watches the chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are usually kept in a very big cage with many trees, caves, rocks, and small lakes inside the cage. Inside the cage itself, there are so many trees. Caves, you all know, in between big rocks, there will be holes in the rocks. That is called caves. So these artificial cave, many trees, rocks, small lakes to drink water, to swim and to play for them in the water. There will be a suitable atmosphere for them. There are 15 chimpanzees including 4 babies. There will be 4 babies with them. Their mother carries the baby everywhere. Mona also likes watching birds in the aviary. An aviary is a small forest with a wire net over and around it. The birds can fly about and build their nest in the trees. Many of the birds are very beautiful. Some like the pelicans are very large bird and aviary can accommodate bigger birds also. Next, Mona watches birds in the aviary. An aviary is a small forest with a wire net over it and around it. So you can see aviary here. It is like a net. Inside it, the birds can fly and build their nest in the tree. So many colorful and beautiful birds will be there. In this picture you can see. Okay. Some birds like pelicans are very large bird. You can see pelican here. This is a bird called pelican, and aviary can accommodate bigger birds also. In aviary there will be a large bird and small bird. You can see a different birds with different colors. The zoo needs money to feed the animals. Some people adopt animals and pay for their food. Mona has adopted a small monkey. She spends rupees 20 every month to the zoo to pay for the monkey's food. She wanted to adopt a tiger. Tigers need meat every day. To provide food for them would be very expensive. Monkeys eat nuts and fruits, which are cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey. So the zoo need money to feed the animals. So some people who loves pet, what they will do? They adopt a pet and they will pay for their food. So here Mona adopts a small monkey and she spends 20 rupee every month to feed it. So here she wanted to adopt the tiger, but the tiger eats meat every day, right? It is very expensive for her, so she couldn't afford for it. She adopted a small monkey. So monkey eat nuts and fruits which are cheaper. So Mona adopted a monkey. Here you have one more poem, The Furry Home. The furry home. If I were a mouse and wanted a house, I think I would choose my new red shoes, furry edges, fur inside. What a lovely place to hide. I would not travel, I would not roam, just sit in my furry home. So here, if I were a mouse, if I am a mouse and wanted a house, I want a house. I think I would choose. If I am a mouse, I need one house. So I will choose my own house. My new red shoes. It is in the new shoes. New red shoes. Furry edges. Furry means things are made from a soft material. It is very soft edges. Fur inside. So it is very soft. And a red shoe. Where I live. What a lovely place to hide. It is very lovely and good place to hide for me. I would not travel, I would not roam. I don't want to travel, I don't want to roam here and there. Only just sit in my furry home. I wanted to sit in my furry, that is things made from a soft material. I wanted to sit in my soft red home.